In this video, I'm going to show you how to link a bank account to QuickBooks Desktop. Now, first, you want to go to Banking up top, and then from here, you want to hover over Bank Feeds, and you want to click on Set up Bank Feed for an account. Now, whenever you do this, I'm just going to click on Yes, and then here, it's going to open up a separate tab where you'll be able to see. Now, it's still downloading some data, so if that happens, there we go. It's going to then allow you to basically enter your bank's name, and you'll be able to do that. So, for example, if I type in like Bank of America like this, for example, there we go. It's going to pop up a bunch of things. I'm going to click on it over here, and then it's going to tell you exactly how you can manually import your transactions. Okay, so it's going to tell you how you can do that, how you can link it, how you can connect it. It's going to be different for all of them. So if I do, for example, Express like this, we have American Express. I can click on here, and then in some cases, it's going to basically tell you that you can do it like different ways as well, like connect, link, etc. So here you first have to kind of select whichever one it is. I'm going to click on small business like this, and there we go. Then it's going to take you to this page where you can basically link your bank account. Okay, so again, it's going to be different. There's a bunch of different banks, and it's going to be different for each and every single one of them. And then you can always finish your setups in here just like this. You will have to sign in, you'll have to put everything in here, and that way you can then link your bank account. Just keep following the windows that pop up, and of course the different info that's required, and then just keep on pressing continue, follow the instructions, and that way you'll be able to get your account connected. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.